Welcome to NCERT Math channel. Today we are going to see exercise number 1.2. In this we are going to see 7th question. A merchant had 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at rupees 1,200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? Okay, so shall we discuss this in a fiction method? So let us consider she is the merchant. So she is holding 78,592 rupees in her purse. Okay, she is holding this much of money and standing in front of the radio shop. She met the radio shopkeeper and asked for 40 radios for rupees 1,200 each. Then shopkeeper replied, "Oops, I shall make 40 radios for 2,000, but for you I can make 1,800. But merchant then started bargaining. 40 radios for 1,200. I will pay each 1,200. Then shopkeeper replied, "Okay ma'am, you are my regular customer. I will make 40 radios for 1,200 for you ma'am." Then he asked help from us. Will you calculate how much it will cost for 40 radios if each is 1,200? Then we have to do the multiplication process. Shall we start the multiplication? Yeah. So for each she is ready to pay 1,200 and she want to pay for 40 radios. So we have to multiply 40 into 1,200. So shall we start the multiplication? So there are 3 zeros. Make 3 zeros as the last numbers. Okay, 3 zeros at the last. So you have to multiply 4 into 12. So 2 fours are 8, 1 fours are 4. So totally she have to pay 48,000 as the bill amount for 40 radios. Okay, then he has given the bill for the merchant. Merchant showed a thankful gesture to us. Say a thankful gesture for him. So now merchant decided to give him 48,000. So she is helpless now because she don't know how much it will be after paying the bill, as she need that money for another reason. So she want us to help for subtracting the bill amount from her amount. Shall we start the subtraction process? So she had 78,592 in her purse. So the total bill amount is 48,000. Shall we start the subtraction? So we have to write 78,592 and below 48,000. So from the ones position, 2 minus 0 is 2. 9 minus 0 it's 9. 5 minus 0 it's 5. 8 minus 8 it is 0. 7 minus 4 it is 5, 6, 7 it's 3. So totally 30,592 rupees. So she will be holding 30,592 in her purse. So she showed a thankful gesture for us. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for listening to my video. Subscribe NCERT Math for more math related videos useful for both academic and competitive exams.